So hello, I'm from Estonia, and I had this common problem with media navigation systems that after map update it froze and I couldn't use the navigation system whatsoever. So I went to the local dealership and asked if they could fix the problem, but they couldn't fix the problem, and they said that I needed a new media nav unit that costs around 1,200 euros in Estonia. And I started Googling it, and I found Gabriel from Argentina that helped me through WhatsApp to recover the problem. For you, I have media nav loading right now. Previously, it only said global configuration not found, and I couldn't use my radio or navigation system whatsoever. So right now everything works. Wait a second, I can show you the maps. You show that's where I am. The map is working, and additionally Gabriel gave me 10 pages of the newest maps 2021 right there. And guys, this shows the internet is amazing. He helped me through WhatsApp from Argentina, from the other side of the world, and I am in Estonia.